Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly import customers from your WooCommerce store into Odoo using the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector module. Let's get started. First, let's check how many customers we currently have in our WooCommerce store. Just head over to your WooCommerce dashboard, click on Users, then select All Users and filter by customer. As you can see, we've got 860 customers in the store. Now, let's import these customers into Odoo. Go to the WooCommerce menu in Odoo, then open your WooCommerce instance. Right now, the customer list is empty, but not for long. Select the specific operation. Choose Operation Flow, select WooCommerce to Odoo, then choose Import Operation, and finally pick Customers. Now click on Import Customers. You'll see different import options: Import All, Import by Specific ID, and Import by Date Filter. For this demo, we'll go with Import All, then click Execute. The import process kicks off immediately. Go to the Processes, then Queue Job section. You'll see the customers begin syncing in real time, and just like that, our queue job is complete. Now, when we check the customer records in Odoo, you'll see that all 860 WooCommerce customers have been successfully imported into your Odoo instance. Click on any record to view the customer details right here under Odoo Partner. And that's it! With the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector, importing your customers into Odoo is fast, reliable, and hassle-free. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and features. Thanks for watching.